Are you having problems with Fresco Logic not locating the LCI proxy user mode display driver DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To start the walkthrough for LCI proxy user mode display driver, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the LCI proxy user mode display driver, the Fresco Logic Indirect Display User Mode Driver, UMD, proxy, which operates alongside the kernel driver to manage video stream compression and user mode communication for USB display adapters. It coordinates rendering handoffs between the OS compositor and the USB transport layer. If absent, USB-driven monitors may fail detection following Windows updates, resulting in missing display outputs. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like direct manipulation DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the LCI proxy user mode display driver file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Installing an unverified version of direct manipulation DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping LCI proxy user mode display driver synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored LCI proxy user mode display driver functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.